I just think we're going to go out, finish the job, properly, and do the business. Yeah, and like I say, it's fortunate because we're finally get how we should be playing, etc., etc. And it'll be the last game of the season, but go out on the season on a high. And yeah, I think we'll get the win. So I'm going to go for a 2-1 Luton win.
Fair enough. As for me, right, I'm going to say a 1-1 draw, but I think, like a lot of people, Bristol City will beat Preston, get their annual 2-1 that they love to get at home. I do actually think, because they're good away, Hull will beat Portsmouth, because Portsmouth have got nothing to play for. And again, I know they want to end the season well, but Hull, I just can see them getting a 1-0 win. I think they're like us in ways, in the sense of if they need to get a result, they will.